Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S. This vehicle has a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 with 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and it does 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.4 seconds. Pretty amazing. Really cool steering wheel right here, AMG badge down there, carbon fiber, no, it's not carbon fiber trim. Kind of looks like it though. Or no, it is. And you have a Burmester sound system, heated and ventilated front seats, nice digital gauge cluster, nice white interior with a suede headliner, and you also had the Alcantara roof. But let's walk around this vehicle real quick. Really nice wheels, V8 bi-turbo badge on the side, 4MATIC of course. Nice rear seats with like the diamond stitching. AMG, and here's the trunk area. Obviously you have quad outlet exhaust like the 43s have the circular ones. That's a quick way to tell you're looking at a 63 and not a 43. And the 63s are the ones with the biggest engines, most power and everything like that. Powerful exhaust mode. Let's see, dynamic mode. I'm gonna put it in individual. Suspension in Sport Plus. Yep, let's get this Benz out on the road. Right, here's the camera real quick. 360 degrees, of course. Man, this car has a crazy amount of power. I was just driving through the parking lot and I was like, wow, amazing power on this car. Yeah, 3.4 0 to 60 in a giant 3-row SUV like this. Or no, this is a 2-row SUV, but still a massive SUV. It's really impressive. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy power in this car. Goodness. That's unbelievable power. And the steering wheel is really nice. Like, these AMGs have really nice steering wheels. I think Mercedes makes really nice wheels, especially like the newer ones. They have even like nicer steering wheels than this. The Mercedes logo is probably like the whole size of the horn pad basically in the newer ones. But yeah, this wheel looks really cool. I love the flat bottom look it has, and I love the shift paddles. They feel great. Nice metal shift paddles. Feels substantial. It makes you feel like you're doing something when you pull the paddles. And this is a touchscreen, as well as you can use this little touchpad down here, which is cool. We're just gonna be cruising along right now due to like this little bit of traffic. But yeah, I mean, even in like the sport suspension wise, it feels comfortable in here. And I like that head-up display. It'll shows my speed, the speed limit, and the compass, I guess. But I'm sure you can look at the music and everything too. My phone is in the wireless charging tray. It's saying wireless charging not possible. I'm not sure why, but you do have a tray nonetheless. Impressive. Very impressive power on this vehicle, that's for sure. You're not going to have any problem overtaking traffic or getting anywhere in this car. Over 600 horsepower is impressive in any vehicle. It's not an easy thing to achieve, you know? And It's nothing quite like the sound of a twin turbo V8. Twin turbo V8s sound phenomenal. Nice. Handles pretty well, corners well too, especially for its size. It's quite nimble. It's very fun just putting your foot down, because this car will go. The car is always ready to go. It's like begging to accelerate with the amount of power it has on tap. You know, that V8 just sounds so phenomenal, so it's also really cool. Put the suspension on a lighter setting, comfort. I mean, it does have lower profile tires and everything, so you will feel the bumps more in this vehicle, but it's still not too bad for being a performance SUV. You can have a chill drive or just have a spirited drive. But you know, at the end of the day, it is a big SUV. Like, you want a really spirited drive, you definitely need to get a coupe or sedan. But the point of these performance SUVs is for people who want like something exclusive. They want to have an exclusive daily driving SUV, which they can drive anywhere with a lot, you know, with great performance. You can use it all the time and always have a blast driving every day. So that's the point of this. And as I said, it's at the end of the day, it's kind of like a status thing, having really expensive performance SUVs, especially in today's car market. But it is a really cool car overall. I think it's a great vehicle, really enjoyable to drive, really cool experience in this car. Seats feel great, seats are really comfortable. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome vehicles like this Mercedes.